Well, just don't need to fall
Yeah, that's the one.
Mark well what I do say.
And she was mistress of her trade.
It was diddle all the day. I put my hand upon her toe. Mark well what I do say. She says, young man, you're rather low for the diddle all day.
I put my finger on her knee. Mark
Well, what I do say.
She says, young man, you're rather free.
For diddle all the day.
I put
My arm around her waist. Mark well what I do say. She says, young man, you're in great haste for the diddle all the day. Put my hand upon her thigh. Mark well what I do say. Says you're getting pretty nigh to my diddle all the day. She says, let's lay down on the grass and diddle all the day.
She says, let's lay down on the grass
And diddle all the day. And we diddle did too.
Very nice. But how about something